Guys, these are my cat. Look at her, she's already up now. She can stand. She's trying to walk away. Come on, baby. I haven't named them yet. Look at this one. She's got eye infection and we have to wipe her every day, but she's the naughtiest one. Every time when you hold her, she cry like someone's killing her. And I have another one, Bluey. I don't know if I should call her Bluey or Alien. She looks like Alien. I'm not judging, but I feel like I'm gonna name her Alien. This is the naughtiest one. Look at her. Goodness. And the cutest baby in the earth. Look at her. If I hold her, she cry like someone is killing her. Alright, go back. That's her. And this one is the most, come on. This one is the most innocent one. This one here is the most innocent one. Every time when I hold her, she doesn't scream. Baby, look at me. Look at me. This is the favorite of my Mona's baby. Look at her. Cuddle, cuddle. Cuddle time. Look, I told you she's the not she or he, I don't know. Tell me whether she's he or she. Anyway, that's the naughtiest one. And she eats the most. I think I should do who is the naughtiest one challenge. Look at them. And she's centipede. Stop it. You have eaten a lot. I want some more. Alright, get it from here. I like to disturb them. Wee-oo! Oi! Oi! She's got infection in her hand as well. Bluey! Bluey! Hello, Bluey! Bluey! Hey! Look at this naughty one. You have it right there. Why do you have to go all the way down? Get it! The most naughty child in the earth. Look. And she's like, don't touch my baby. This reminds me of my sister. One of my innocent sister, one of my naughty sister, and one of me. So three of them. All of them remind me of my siblings. Hey! 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 She's got eye infection. Where do you wanna go, you little piece of shit? Oh, Bluey. Someone wanna go for a walk? down, Daniel. Come here. Alright, okay. Get back to your mom. Oh, this is so cute. They started walking. I feel like I'm the luckiest person. I have never seen any animals having these kind of kids. And you're the blessed, luckiest baby in the earth. You're a mama now. Mama Mona. Bye guys. Look at the cutest thing in the earth now and then say goodbye. Bye.